Welcome to Marchex Call Analytics Conversation Edition, a solution that provides actionable insights for converting more callers into customers. This is the Transcription Search dashboard. It allows you to search through all your calls for specific keywords or phrases. Then it provides you metrics and other call details that help you understand the voice of the customer directly within the sales funnel. For our example, let's say, I'm a district manager of a business and I want to search for phrases, or in this case, utterances mentioning the word order. I'll type order here into the search box. You'll notice I can refine my search to show results where the utterance featuring the word order was mentioned by either the sales agent or the caller within a specific time frame. We're going to click on those calls lasting over a minute. Here, the search results are available to you through an infinite scroll with the call list to the left and the high-level metrics on the search phrases to the right. As you can see, for the word order, for calls lasting over a minute, it provides you with a breakout of metrics. You can see that where the keyword appeared from the call side, as well as the sales agent side, the percentage in which the keyword appeared across all calls, or any negative sentiment associated with it as well, which in this case is 0. Your call volume is broken down based on your key phrase search across when, again, the caller or the sales agent mentioned the word order. And you get a similar view by date and down to the hour. You can download any one of these charts, as well as print them for further sharing as needed. The call metadata here gives you a variety of high-level details around the phone call that you searched for, including the caller number, their name, the call tracking number, the answered number, which is the number the call tracking number forwards to, the campaign the call was associated with, the business location, start and stop time of the call, as well as its duration. Call DNA is a technology that can break out the call into a segmented map showing areas where the caller was speaking, the sales agent was speaking, where the phone was ringing, if there was any silence or any information was redacted. It can also classify the call based on its outcome, as well as the department that the order corresponds to. Below is where the natural language processing models can provide a detailed transcript that is split out between the caller and the sales agent. You can click on any one of these utterances in order to understand what happened on the call and listen to it on demand within the Call DNA section. For example, let's click on a call and listen.
Yes, Shashank, I'd like to place an order of 50 pizza bagels.
Here is a scorecard for any scripts that you're tracking. Be sure to check out the Sales Agent Script Tracking Dashboard how-to video to learn more about that. You can also get a caller history, as well as a section for entering any notes about the call that someone might need to reference later. You can use the filter box to refine your search as needed based on a set of call signals across any date range that you'd like. Search call transcripts and hear the voice of the customer on demand with Transcription Search dashboard within Marchex Speech Analytics. For more information, visit marchex.com.